Come on. Hey, hey, look who's here.
Munch, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah.
Are you doing better? Yeah.
Hope you get better. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. How have you been? Yo, Munch. Do you like Halloween? Oh yeah. Man, check this out. Check this out. Yeah. Yo. Can I get a photo with you?
Okay. October 21st is Christopher CH's birthday. He'll be celebrating at round one, but he'll also be stopping by here on the 19th. Say hi to everybody.
Yeah. Hey, you excited my birthday, man? Yeah. Man, I'm sorry you're not feeling, he wasn't feeling well for a while.
He lost his shoes to Edinburgh Chuckies.
Wow. Really? Yo, Munch, I watched me. Hey. Yo, Munch. Isn't this your favorite song? Like, don't you like? Are you familiar with this song? This song. The one you really absolutely like. I think you danced to. Hey. Hit the whip. Hey. Yo. Oh.
All right. Thanks for coming, Munch. It was good to see you again.
Yo, you're just out there cooking, right? Gotcha.
All right. Well, you have a happy Halloween, Munch. Have fun trick-or-treating.
What are you gonna be?
Maybe,
A pirate like Chucky?
or maybe an alien who eats pizza. You never know.
Yeah, Munch.
All right.
Do I have to leave him?
I think so. Yeah, he's got to go.
Okay. Bye, Munch.
You want one more picture?